Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to back up your website files on cPanel. So this is a tutorial on how to create manual backups of your website files through cPanel, including how to restore backups when needed. So I'll be guiding you through that. So you should be familiar with this interface of your cPanel. So right now we will navigate to create or restore backups. So let's quickly click on that. So as you can see they are showing the checked boxes of things that will be backed up. Even your trashed data will also be backed up, and files you've deleted before. So let's already do this. Let's create a backup. So I'll be showing you two ways. This is the first way you can do this from the cPanel as an option. This is an inbuilt plugin here, and the other way would be by zipping up your file, compressing it, then you download the file. But that one works just for your files. It doesn't include your email and other logs, so your database as well. So first of all, let's just quickly create a backup for this one now and see how long it takes. So click create backup. So backup creation added to queue. You will receive a message when it's true. So right now our backup is actually going on. Our site is backing up right now. So this is the first way. So the second one I'll be showing you is through. So but this one is quite hectic because you have to back up your file manager, back up your database files. Then if you have emails you want to download, you can download them before you do, or maybe wipe the data here on the cPanel. So let's quickly open this file manager. So as you can see, let's go to the public_html. So these are the files we have. This is the one we uploaded, the website for the wedding, and this is the demo website.zip, which is everything in this folder public_html. So I've already shown you how to do this, but let me still do it again. So let me quickly delete this file. Let me remove it. Remove. Yeah. Now you can check the box. Press your right click, add to archive. Then you can give it a name. You can call it web backup. Let's just call it web backup, and give it a zip extension, then compress. So file compressed. So this is our file here. So if you want to download, you can just quickly click on download, and voila, we have our file downloading. So this was the other one. We didn't download the other time we did it, but this one is actually downloading now. So that's that. So let's go back to the file manager interface, or the hosting interface. Then for a database, so I'm not showing you, okay, our file just downloaded. So I'll be showing you about, maybe telling you about database later on in our upcoming videos. I'll show you how to upload your database and also create and delete data as well. So that will be a topic on its own. So if you want to also back this up, you click on the manage. Here you can back it up through this PHP my admin, or you can come here and do export as SQL, and once you click export as SQL, see the file has been downloaded. So this is our SQL data and this is our website file. So even if there's anything that will happen to your hosting or your domain, you still have your website data backed up on your computer alongside your database file as well. So I hope you understood what I did so far. If you didn't get it, you can watch the video again, or feel free to still ask your question in the comment section. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.